I brought you some flowers.
For me? How sweet! You okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
You know, you're the first sea critter to ever visit.
I can't imagine why.
Can I get you anything?
Water would be nice.
I'm gonna put these in a vase.
Take your time. I gotta get out of here.
I like you, SpongeBob. We could be tighter than bark on a tree.
When in doubt, pinky out.
I don't need water. Water's for quitters. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
There's a massive tornado! It's destroying everything in its path. Houses are gone. Trees are gone. Cars are being thrown like toys. If you're outside, you're not going to make it. Get inside. Get to a basement. Barricade yourself. I'm begging you, do something.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Central Laurel County in south-central Kentucky, Greene County in south-central Kentucky, Taylor County in south-central Kentucky, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 15 miles west of East Bernstadt, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete is possible. Locations impacted include London, East Bernstadt, Bush, Keavy, Greensburg, Somersville, Pierce, Doninsburg, Campbellsville, Mansville, Elkhorn, and Saloma. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and a deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need